Hey guys! I can never start an intro. Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome if you're new here. So I took some advantage of a bunch of sales going on during the holidays. I decided to buy a bunch of freaking gifts for myself. So this huge box has been sitting in my closet forever and I'm just like tired of waiting around because I don't want to use any of this stuff. I want to show you what I got. I desperately needed some new makeup. I know it sounds crazy to even think that, like, why would you need so much makeup? A lot of my old makeup has been around for about 5 years. A lot of the stuff is expired and I heard that stuff isn't good for you. Actually too, my eyeball got messed up because I used an expired mascara, so I had a sty in my freaking eye for like a month. It was awful. Let's get started with today's video. Let's talk about new makeup. Well, it's new makeup to me because remember this stuff is on sale, so it's not new. But I want to show you what I got. Let's just get into it. If you like the video and you like these kinds of hauls, please give the video a like, subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and let's go ahead and get into it. Oh, right there. Crazy mess of a hair. Let me fix this crazy mess. By the way, I got these cute clips from Ulta from this brand called Quiche. Isn't it like the cutest thing ever? Please excuse my chipped nails. I used a really cheap nail polish and that's my life right now. So let's clip it. What do you guys think of the clip? It's cute. First things first, I decided to get some of the Jaclyn cosmetic stuff. This was on half off in Ulta. The Jaclyn Hill, the duos, the bronzer duos. This one's in the color Warm Flush and Golden Goddess. Very, very pretty. This is a really, really pretty, nice peachy blush. It's very creamy and a little bit sheer, and it has just the slightest bit of like some golden tones to it, so it's really nice. The bronzer is very, very nice and creamy. This is not highly pigmented. Well, the blush is. The blush is definitely really well pigmented, but the bronzers are not like contouring. Like they're not meant for contouring, I think. I think they're just meant to like add some bronzed to your skin. But overall, I really love this and I love the packaging. It's like super cute and super high end, has a nice mirror. This one is called Pink Me Up and Oh Honey. So this is actually the blush Pink Me Up and the Oh Honey bronzer that I'm wearing today. This blush actually looks a little scary in the pan, but it's actually not at all. This is like the perfect pigmented blush because you can go on it and you can dig in there and it's not gonna be a crazy pop of pink, as you can see. So it's actually really pretty. I really love it. But like I said, these were half off. Usually one is like, I think 25. So I got like 2 for 25. I mean, come on now. So I did get her highlight in the color Iced. It's a really, really pretty champagne-y highlight. This is what I have on my cheeks. This girl never goes wrong with her highlights, like ever, ever, ever. You could just never go wrong with a Jaclyn Hill highlight. It is intense, not gonna lie. Let's just do a little swatcheroo there. As you can see, really nice and so soft and sheeny. Beautiful, beautiful highlight. For cleanser, I got the Purity Made Simple One-Step Facial Cleanser. I was looking for a cleanser that is gentle on the skin. People rave about this cleanser so much, so I wanted to try it out. I've never tried anything from the brand Purity, so it says One-Step Facial Cleanser, Meadow Foam Seed Oil. Yeah, let's see how this cleanser works. I have nothing to say, but I gotta try it out. Let's smell it out. See if it has a smell. Oh, why would it have a smell? It's like brand new, of course. Anyways, I'll be trying that out. I did also get these buy one and get one free. These are the Not Your Mother's All Eyes on Me 10-in-1 per hair perfector. I've spoken about this many times. I repurchased this, so when I saw it on sale, get one, get the other one free, I was like, why not? Because I really, really use these and I go through these like crazy. Because this is like pure hydration on the hair, but it's not oily at all. And what I love about it is that it does 10 things all in one. So it protects your hair, it does all that good stuff. I also got this on sale as well. This is from the brand The Body Shop. The Pink Grapefruit Body Yogurt. Oh, it smells like a pink grapefruit. Let's try it out. Oh my God, it smells so good. It smells like a grapefruit. I bought this because I wanted to like put something on after my shower. I wanted to, you know, feel a little smooth and smell a little nice. Enriched with community trade almond milk. So it's made with almond milk, it's vegan. This is really cool, really cute, and I love the packaging. I got the Confidence in a Cream from It Cosmetics. This is a transforming, moisturizing super cream. anti-aging rejuvenating concentrate. Ooh, that sounds really good. I also got a new eye cream because I had ran out of my old eye cream and I was waiting for that thing to run out. So I got this one from Lancome. This was also almost like half off. So this eye cream apparently is $80. I don't know who spends $80 on an eye cream. This is the Lancome Regenerate Lift Multi-Action Ultra Eye Cream. Holy cow, this is really... Who pays $80 for this? Do you guys see how much is in there? Like, this is really, really small. I hope it's not used. This better be doing some miracles. I really hope so. So, I got a bunch of sheet masks and foot masks. This is a ridiculous amount of sheet masks. I absolutely love doing my own at-home spa moment. So I will put a sheet mask on. I'll put my foot mask on. I'll have a glass of wine. I got these I Am an Aloe moisturizing sheet mask. This one is from Tony Moly. I'm an Aloe face mask sheet. I've used this one before. It feels like an actual plant. It's amazing. This one is the I'm a Cactus sheet mask. So cactus, I think cactus are like prickly and stuff. I don't know what this is supposed to do, but anyway. Oh, it's purifying. Okay, so the other one was moisturizing. This is purifying. So cactus, like a scrub, like a cactus is like, why am I talking about cactus? Oh, this is from the Cream Shop. This is the How Do I Look Youthful eye patches, under eye patches. It's really cute. It looks like a rainbow and it has the stars, and my husband thinks I'm absolutely crazy. He laughs whenever I put masks on and he's just like, you had that kind of day, right? They have collagen in them, assist in firming, reducing appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Honestly, I really don't know if they do anything for me. I don't even know if these sheets masks do anything, but it feels really nice just to apply them. It feels really nice the moment you take it off and you rub in the residue. It just feels so nice and calming on the face. So, okay, another one. What? Stop single creep. Okay, so I got these from Miss Spa 24 karat gold facial sheet mask. Buy two, get two free. These are premium ingredient, 24 karat gold. Does it really do anything for your skin? Richly hydrating, leaves the skin glowing like gold. So these are the pure gel under eyes eye patches. Soothes the stressed skin, may help reduce puffiness and the appearance of dark circles. May help with that. These are from the brand Earth Therapeutics. I haven't opened this yet. This is from Relief. It's a cute little package like that. It comes with like little minis. Comes with an Aqua Bomb jelly cleanser, a Aqua Bomb little cream. Ooh, oh, the Aqua Bomb sleeping mask. I freaking love this sleeping mask. It's so nice. And then a little eye cream. I have like 3 of these. These will last me forever. And then a little cleansing toner. So that's the last skincare item. What are my new palettes? Okay, so I know this is not new. Okay, it's a sale. It's stuff on sale. This was 50% off, and I think the price for this is $125 if I'm not mistaken, and I got this for $64. And this is my first Natasha Denona palette, so I'm super thrilled about this. This is the Sunrise palette. So let's open her up real quick. So this is what the palette looks like. Really cute. This is the Color Story. Very, very beautiful Color Story. Oh, I just love warm tones and coppers, and we all love this. This is like the Color Story for the makeup industry. These are freaking buttery. Oh my god, that is a nice shadow. I'm the worst swatcher in life. Let's try that. Swatch it up. Ooh, that is pigmented. I got the Jaclyn Hill Divines Neutrals palette with Morphe. I'm super thrilled. I can't wait to actually do a review on this palette for you guys. I'm gonna be doing that as my next video, so I'm super excited. Next, I got 2 of the Mario eyeshadow palettes. This one was on sale from Sephora, actually. This is the Master Matte palette from Makeup by Mario. I have not tried this out. Very, very cute. Looks like a perfect everyday palette. Like, look at these browns. And I love the fact that they're all matte. I wish that this palette would have come with some shimmers, but that's why I got this one also on sale. This is the Glam Quads Bronzy Glam palette. Look at this. So it has a couple of nice shimmers. Look at those shimmers. Very, very pretty. Let's swatch this gold here. Ooh, really, really nice. A little chunky. Ooh, very, very bronzy and beautiful. Oof. That color is stunning. Like, they're so sleek, the packaging. I got a bunch of mascaras. These were all $10. And these are mascaras that are usually $20, $25. So this one, for example, the Urban Decay Perversion Mascara, I purchased this about 2 or 3 times in the past. I really love this mascara. This has an amazing natural lash lifting effect. Lifting, separating, and lengthening all at the same time. Very, very natural. Again, it's definitely one of my favorite mascaras. I also got the Roller Lash Mascara from Benefit. I also repurchased this as well. The wand is so perfect to get into every single lash and really lift them up. This does such a good job of lifting the lashes. Looks like that, very nice and curved. I freaking adore this mascara. It Cosmetics mascara. This is the Elastic Stretched Volumizing Mascara. The packaging is adorable. The one looks pretty interesting. This is the Kat Von D Go Big or Go Home Mascara. Look at the packaging here. Anything Kat Von D is just, all the packaging is just always so beautiful and so like metal. Ooh. That sounded nice when you open a mascara for the first time. Smells like cookie. Yeah, I got 2 things from Rare Beauty. This wasn't on sale. This was just me buying it because I freaking love Rare Beauty. So this is the Rare Beauty mascara, the new one, and then this is the eyeliner. Really, really nice wand there. Very nice. Ah, there we go. You see? Looks like a permanent marker. Like, how cool is that? Look at the felt tip there. For eyebrow stuff, I repurchased the brow definer from Anastasia, Beverly Hills, and the Brow Wiz. These are like my top brow stuff. I also got the brow freeze from Anastasia Beverly Hills, like the waxy thing. I want to try these feather brows. I've never really tried them. This is sticky and really, really nice. So I can't wait to try out something different on my brows for once. See if they even come out nice. The Buxom Mascara, this one also $10. Really, really nice. I've never tried anything from Buxom. Ooh, that is a ginormous one. I've never tried this before, but this is the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade. I've been wanting to try this for a long, long time. Yeah, I love Anastasia. Like, all the packaging is always so nice, and this is nice and heavy, and it's like made out of glass, and it's just so nice. Let's open it up. It's like that, a dip brow. Ooh, I can't wait to try that out. And I bought a brush too, I didn't even know. This is the It Cosmetics brush. This was also on sale. This is the Buffing Mineral Powder brush. Use my teeth, everything in life, my big old horse teeth. Love It Cosmetics brush. I have a buffing brush and I absolutely love it. So when I saw it on sale, because these brushes are like $30, but when I saw it on sale, I was like, what? Ooh, this looks very, very soft. Love beautifully. Look at this buffing brush. How pretty and soft and oh, I just love It Cosmetics brushes. So I got the Tarte Amazonian Clay Tinted Moisturizer. I only have one tinted moisturizer. It's the ColourPop one, and I'm almost running out of it. So I wanted to try this out. I don't even know if this is my shade, but hopefully it is. It has SPF 20, which is good. From Catrice, I got 2 items, and I've been wanting to try these out for the longest time, and I want to do an in-depth review of these 2 items. Specifically, this one, the True Skin Hydrating Foundation. This was like a viral foundation that apparently it was amazing. I got the Liquid Camouflage Concealer, completely brand new, unopened. So I'm gonna be trying both of these out on a review video. All right, guys, that is it. That completes my crazy holiday sale haul. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the haul. If you have any of the items here that you'd love to see me do a review on, please let me know down in the comments. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.